Hello mga kalamat, good day ulit sa inyong lahat. Welcome back dito sa aking mini video. Channel ko, Alamat ni Mayor. Meron naman tayong ginawang surprise mga kaalamat, no? At ito ay kanilang merienda ngayong araw na to. So, unang-una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ko mga kaalamat. I would like to thanks my number one viewer from Indonesia, which reached 72% sa live sa mini videos ko. So thank you very much from Indonesia for viewing my views, for viewing my vlog. Thank you very much, especially those ages 18 to 34 years old. So thank you very much. So I would like to present to you, everybody, the pancakes that we made today. This is for good vibes for everybody. So ito siya mga kalamat. I would like to everyone to see the top view. So I would like to let you see the top view. So this is it, our pancake. So this is called the Romanian pancake in Romania and also known in European countries. So this is how we do it. Ito siya, no? Ito siya mga kalamat. Ayan. Ayan siya. Ang ating pang good vibe sa umaga sa kanilang merienda. So yun lang mga kalamat, no? In-update ko lang kayo sa ating ginawa. So that's all everybody. I just updated you the videos that we made every day. So I would like to thank everybody, especially those from Indonesia and secondly in Philippines and Malaysia. So that's all. Thank you very much and God bless.